Hello children, how are you all? I hope that all of you are doing great. So children, since you are staying at your home for a long period of time, you might feel bored, right? So today I am here with a story. Yes, today I am going to entertain you with a story. So let's hear it together. This is the story of Moodle. Moodle loves eating sweets, chocolates, burgers, chips and everything that his friend Poodle called junk. He even fed them to his beloved dog Brownie. Moodle ate junk food for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Poodle always said to him, Moodle, it is fine to eat burgers or sweets once in a while, but you should also eat healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals, bread, etc. Moodle would smile and say, no way, Poodle, I will eat only what I want to eat and nothing else. So, one day, Poodle said that he won't be coming to meet Moodle anymore and asked him to take care of himself and Brownie and feed Brownie with whatever Moodle felt was right. At this, Moodle smiled and said, okay. After that, he took Brownie to his bedroom. That night, the two of them had lots of chips, sweets and chocolates. This happened for a couple of days. Every day, Moodle would take Brownie outside and feed it with all sorts of street food. Soon, Moodle realized that Brownie was not enjoying it anymore. One morning, when Moodle got up, he saw Brownie lying on the floor. He was sick and did not have the energy to get up. Quickly, Moodle decided to take him to a doctor. When Moodle tried to get dressed, he noticed that all the buttons on his shirt went pop, pop, pop. Oh no, my shirt has shrunk. He ran to his cupboard and tried on all of his shirts. Pop, pop, pop went all the buttons on his shirts. Rip, rip, rip went all of his pants. Moodle started crying. Oh no! All my clothes have shrunk. Now what will I do? Just then, Poodle came up to see Moodle. He heard Moodle crying and went to his room. He was about to say something but suddenly started screaming because both Moodle and Brownie started expanding and growing. Moodle grew fatter and fatter while Brownie expanded widely. Soon, Moodle started feeling hungry as well. Poodle quickly got out of the room as there was no space for him. Moodle tried to get out of the room but he just could not get through the door. He had to break the door to get out of the small room. Then quickly he got to the kitchen and looked for something to eat. He saw a burger and gulped it down in a single bite. Alas, he expanded more and felt hungrier. Poodle asked him to try a glass of milk. The moment Moodle had it, he shrunk a bit. Then Poodle offered him a bowl of vegetable salad. Moodle had some of it, and then his body started shaking wildly. Suddenly, he realized that he was still in his bedroom and it was just a dream, and Foodle was still scolding him for eating sweets throughout the night. Moodle looked at Foodle and said, "I'm sorry. I promise I won't have any junk food from now on." So kids, how was the story? I know that all of you must have liked it. So now you know that healthy food helps you to grow, and it also helps you to stay active, and it keeps your bones, muscles and your heart strong, right? While on the other hand, unhealthy food can make you sick. Yes, and it can also make you fat. So now I just hope that you have understood what to eat and what to not. Okay, so now let's have an activity. Now I will show you some food items and you have to tell me if the food item is healthy or unhealthy. You should eat it or you should not eat it. Okay, so let's start. So tell me, what is this? Yes, it is the king of fruits. Yes, mango. So, mango is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, mango is healthy. So, you should eat mangoes and you should eat fruits. So, tell me, what is this? Yes, these are noodles. You like noodles? Yes, I know you do. But noodles are unhealthy. Yes, you should not eat it on a daily basis, right? Okay. Tell me, what is this? Yes, it's a banana. So, banana is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, banana is healthy. Okay, tell me, what is this? This is cucumber. Okay, right. And cucumber is vegetable. This is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, cucumber is healthy. Okay, so what do we have next? Next is macaroni. What is this? Macaroni. You like it? Yes. But it is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, this is unhealthy and you should avoid eating it on a daily basis. And what is next? Okay, what is this? This is carrot. This is carrot. Okay, so it is healthy or unhealthy? Yes, this is healthy. Carrot is healthy for us. So we can eat it on a daily basis. Okay, very nice. You all are very intelligent. What did you learn from today's video? Yes, you should always eat healthy food because healthy food makes you stronger and active. And on the other hand, you should avoid eating junk food. Why? Because junk foods can make you sick and also it can make you fat. Do you want to get fat? No? Okay, so avoid eating junk food from now onwards. Alright? So now you have to tell me what type of food would you like to eat. Okay? And you have to draw 5 healthy food and 5 unhealthy food in your notebooks. Okay?